What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you out Double Negative by Dominic Fike from his new album. I have covered more than 80% of the song from that new album, so make sure to check them out. And yeah, I'm just gonna make a playlist soon on that. So with no further delay, let's proceed. We got no capo, standard tuning. I'm just gonna show you two parts to learn. One is the bar chords, one is a bar chords, another is likely a bar chords. But one thing just keep in your mind. One thing is, if you find it very hard to play the bar chords, just drop me a comment down below. I will provide you the chords without the capo and everything corresponding to it. That's it. With that being said, let's proceed to the intro we have over here. It's something like that, but we're just gonna make that more spicy. So let's see what happens first. So firstly we play 6th fret on the D string. So we start with the 6th fret on the D string. We play it 8 times. So you go down, up, down, up. Don't go down, 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 down 8 times. You go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you go. After playing that down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then you come over here. You play that 8 times, which is 4th fret on the E string, which is basically the octave. So 4 on the E and 6 on the D are the same notes. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and same on the 4th fret on the E string. And then you start with the intro. You go. Now this, just have a look at this chord. This is basically a G sharp 5, but it's very easy. It's a power chord. So you got 4th fret on the E string, your pinky on the 6th fret of the D string, of the A string. And with your index, you got the D, G, B, and the high E string muted. So you got 4 and 6. So you got the first part, which will be 6th fret on the D and the 4th fret on the E. And now you start with this G sharp 5 chord. Then you come to this shape over here, which is basically a D sharp 5. It's actually 6th fret. You see, everything is same shape in the power chord. Power chord, the name comes G sharp 5, G, and you got the 5th note over here, and therefore G sharp 5, G sharp, and over here you got the D flat, G sharp 5, and over here you got the D sharp. You got the 6th fret on the A string. You got pinky on the 8th fret of the D string, and again you got all other string muted. E string, the high E string, the G string, and the D string, and the B string for this down. So you play that, and then you move on one step back. So you are over here. So it's actually a D 5, 5 on the A, 7 on the D, and make sure you get everything other muted. And then again you just go one step back. It's actually what do you call that? It's C sharp, which is 4 on the A string and 6 on the D string, and again everything is muted. So you see the same shape just goes everywhere, and the G sharp is just a bit up. That's it. So with that being said, I got this one. Now after that, you're just gonna do 4 downstroke on the G sharp 5. Then you're just gonna come to that C sharp 5. I'm sorry, very sorry. D sharp 5. You're gonna play that 8 times, 8 downstroke. What the hell, I'm messing up. Sorry guys, sorry, very sorry. You're just gonna do 2 downstroke on that. Yeah, you're just gonna do 2. It's like a passing chord we have over here. It's a passing chord, so we're just gonna do 2 downstroke over there. And then you move back to the D5, and you're just gonna do 6 downstroke over here. So altogether, this plus this equal to 8. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you're just gonna move on to the C sharp 5, and you're just gonna play that. How many times? You're just gonna play that 8 times. So that's it. This was basically the first part. So we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2. So we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4. So from the beginning again, I'm very sorry. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let's start 4 times, 2 times, 6 times, 4 8 times, and then you do the exact same thing. But the thing is, if you see, the braces are showing you the number of times you're just going to strum a chord. So in the braces now you'll see that the G sharp 5 actually has 8. So now you just want to strum that 8 times. So it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 D sharp 5 1 2 D5 6 7 8 6 times, and over here got 8 times C sharp 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's kind of a bit confusing, but it's definitely very easy, and you can see everything in the screen, so it's a lot easier. So let's play that from the beginning. That's it, and then we have the next part, which is likely the pre-chorus, and we come to the chords. Again, I told you before, if you have any problem playing the bar chords, just bring me up in the comment down below. First chord is a C sharp minor. Have a look. I'm playing that top E string muted, index finger bar on the 4th fret, 5th fret on the B string, and these 2 fingers on the 6 frets of the D and the G string. So we got mute 4 6 6 5 4. And then we have a G sharp minor, so which is basically 4 6 6 4 4 4. So you got your index finger again barred throughout the whole fret. And then you have a E major, nice and easy chord, which is mute open second 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 open. Then a B major, which is likely the shape of the A major. You come down 2 frets and you got your index finger bar over here. It's a bit tricky to play this chord in the best way it can, but make sure you can play it like this if you're not able to play like this. So basically it's mute, then 2 4 4 4, and then you got the 2 over here. But you can always mute that by playing this shape, or even by playing this shape where you got the D, G, B and the high E string. It's up to you. You can just play in any of the shapes. So pinky, ring finger, like this, my favorite shape. I always like this, the easiest one. So you got a lot of options over here. So it's like the pre-chorus, and I just want to do one down each chord, and the chord progression will be a C sharp minor, then a G sharp minor, then an A major, then a B major, and one down will be enough. And you see this goes 2 times for the pre-chorus, and then you likely have the chorus, and for the chorus we have the exact same chord progression: C sharp minor, G sharp 5, A major, B major, but we change the string pattern a bit more funky. So what I do is I do 2 downstroke on each chord. I rest for a second and then I move on to the next. So I do down down, and this one down is mainly like focusing on strumming the bass when I get that power chord effect over here. So you can even strum the full chord, it's up to you. I do 2 downstroke, and then I keep my hand, rest for a second, move on to the next chord, and in this way just play that for all of the chords. Rest, 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 rest. 1 2 1. A second. That's it for this lesson. So if this helps out, make sure to drop in one of these. And I think you're not at all clear with this part, so I just want to make this played one more time. So 6th fret D string for 8 times, 4th fret on the E string 8 times, octaves, G sharp 5, 4 downstroke, go to the D sharp 5, 2 downstroke, come on the D5, 6 downstroke, back to C sharp 5, 8 downstroke, again go back, play 8 downstroke on the G sharp 5, come back over here, 2 downstroke on the D sharp 5, and you come to the D5, 6 downstroke, and back to the C sharp 5, 8 downstroke, and that's it, and then move on. That's almost everything for this lesson. So I'll see you guys back in the next video. Again, make sure to check out other Dominic Fike. Bye.